Hello everyone, welcome back to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to add clickable YouTube link on Facebook stories. So open the Facebook application and please follow this step carefully. So if you tap on create story and you create a story randomly, I'm just gonna go with the random process. So here if you tap on this and you're at the Facebook story section, you can see there is no method to add a link to your Facebook story. What you can do is you can post a clickable link on Facebook, but you cannot directly do this from your Facebook application. For that, you need to go to your Instagram account. I'm gonna cross this out and I'm gonna go to my Instagram account. Tap upon Insta. Now once you're at the Instagram, what you need to do is tap on your story and you create a story with a clickable link. So here it goes. I'm gonna swipe upward and there you tap on link. Now you copy the link that you want to add it over here. I'm just gonna go and copy my YouTube link. So I'm just gonna go and copy the YouTube link. I'm just gonna copy this link of YouTube, tap on copy and paste it on the text box over here, add link. Tap on paste, then tap on done. Now you adjust your link on your screen where you want to have it. Then tap on your story. Now once this story has been added to your Instagram, you tap upon it once again. Now once you tap that, you will have all the options below. You can see create, share to Facebook. Here you tap on Facebook. Share your Instagram stories and post to Facebook automatically. Tap on share post and stories. With that, this post will be shared to your Facebook account as well as your Facebook story. So go back to your Facebook account or your story. Refresh your account once more. There you can see your story. Tap that. Now if you tap on the YouTube link, you will be able to visit the YouTube homepage. This is the only way how to add clickable YouTube link on Facebook story. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.